Hi guys, so in this video we will introduce a theorem of the circle. So basically this theorem is about if a radius is perpendicular to a chord, then it bisects the chord. So in this graph right here, as we see, this is the center point O. We can say the radius called OP. And there's a chord I can call AB. So the theorem is like OP is the radius and AB is the chord. Then OP will perpendicular to AB. Based on this theorem, we can solve the questions. For example, for this one, I will say the radius is 5 here. So, by the way, there are 3 radiuses in this circle, which are segment OA, segment OP, and segment OB, because they all from the center to the end point on the circle. Okay, so, and then I know the AB chord equal 8. Okay, AB equal 8. That's what we know. If AB is equal 8, based on the theorem, it's a perpendicular, and if it's perpendicular, then it's a bisect. Bisect means half. So that means this one equal. Then each will be 4, because 4 plus 4 equal 8. And now we want to find, my question is find, there is a point right here, it's E. So my question is to find segment OE. Okay. So since we want to find OE, we can highlight OE right here. This is OE. And I can make a right triangle with OE, which is triangle OAE. You see right here. And this is a special triangle, which is a right triangle. Okay, because we have perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90-degree right angle. And in this right angle, once you have right angle, the first thing you have to come up with is the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, in this right triangle, as we see, we know C, which is hypotenuse, is 5. And one side, we can say this is B, which is 4. And we are looking for OE, which is A. Based on the Pythagorean theorem, which is A squared plus B squared equals C squared, we input the numbers, substitute the letters, which is A squared plus B, as we said, is 4. So 4 squared is 16. Equal C squared is 5 squared is 25. Okay, so now we subtract 16 on both sides. So A squared equal 25 minus 16 is 9. And then we square root both sides to find A. So 9 square root will be equal 3. So A equals 3. So OE is equal 3. Then we find the answer. Okay, I hope you enjoy the question, and we will have practice on this type of question. Let me know if you have questions. Feel free to email me or leave a message on Schoology. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.